All right, that's a little retracement there. Of course, what I want to see it do is come down and break that low a little bit. You've got the center median line lining up perfectly with its channel right at 63. So if we can actually make it to 63, I'll gladly take that one, even if it stops me right out. Okay, here comes crude.
Order pending.
It's a little earlier than I wanted to get it, but we had some buying coming in there. It's a pretty big churn bar on the 5-minute. It's a pretty big volume divergence with a churn bar at the end. It's not quite at the areas on the 15-minute though. That is a pretty good looking churn bar on the 5-minute. And it did just enough to, break the low, stop some people out, hit the area again on the tick chart, the downsloping area. Kind of came through. Well, it's basically a retest of this same area that it turned up off of before on the 5-minute. But now we actually have some support on the 5-minute. So really on the 5-minute, it's the same areas that we turned up off of the first time. It's also that upsloping lower median line there, see?
I'm waiting for the retest.
Sure, buddy, sure.
Yeah.
You think it's going to come back down now?
Yeah. I'm waiting for this big first push out, and then I'll take it on the next.
Oh, you mean the
next
higher
one up? Yeah.
Yeah, I see.
I'm just waiting for more of a confirmation.
Definitely have some confirmation now. That is the first spot that it would have been a good idea to take one off right here, actually. If it's going to fail and go back down, or, I mean, that is a pretty big 5-minute bar back in the opposite direction. So looks like it probably will make it to new highs, but it could go sideways here for who knows how long. Because if it is going to get knocked sideways for a while, that would be the spot.
Anyway, I'm long from 39 with a tight stop.
You do that on the tick chart?
Yeah. But you could see there on that tick chart, it was off the midpoint as well.
Mm-hmm.
So
you do like a copy to like right here? Yeah.
Yeah. So you could see basically with that there was a couple of points lined up. So that's why I'll just give it a little bit of a go.
Do you have a limit sitting there?
Yeah, I did. I had a rester sitting there at 39.
Yeah.
So far so good, but I'm not putting a lot of risk on this one.
Yeah, that'll be nice if that's that third wave up.
That 5-minute trend line sort of worries me a bit. Well, we might be coming back down.
Yeah, me too.
But it is doing what we'd expect around the POC and that high volume node anyway, on the 15-minute there. Struggling a little bit initially to get through it.
Yeah.
Did you jump back in, Josh, or you stayed out?
No, I didn't. I took a break even on the first and was wanting to make it down to basically 63.03. So we were 3 ticks shy. So yeah, looking better though. Not that it wasn't before, but looks like we're gonna.
Yeah, I'm just hoping it was gaining some momentum so we can punch out of here.
Yeah, it's looking promising.
Well, either way, I've come to evens now anyway, so.
We just hit the underside of a trend line on my 15-minute, so might be a profit spot right there.
It's the other day's high too, isn't it? 10 o'clock. Broke the previous high. Yesterday's high. A little bit of divergence, volume divergence.
Order filled.
Yeah, I took one off. Probably keep going, but it's a safe place to take one off anyway.
Yeah, you got to get 60 ticks when you can.
Yeah. Is that what it is?
or something like that.
Yeah, pretty much. Almost makes me want to get out right there. What time is it?
10:15.
Yeah, I'm going to get out right there.
Order filled.
All right, I'm out. That is the center median line there. On a break of that high. All right, I'm going to shut it down. Any other questions I missed? I think that's it, huh? All right, guys. Talk to you tomorrow morning.
See you guys. Have a good one. Bye, everybody.
Bye.